Across the world, forests fall, not by storms, but by human hands. We cut, we burn, we poison the air we breathe. And nature, patient yet powerful, responds. The storms grow stronger, the floods come faster. The land that once gave life now demands a price. In moments of silence after the storm, we see what was lost. Homes, dreams, fields, swept away in the waters of our own making. But among the ruins, a light remains. We gather, wounded but not broken. Together, we rise as one. Hands once turned to destruction now turn to healing. We plant, we nurture. We rebuild not only our homes but the very earth beneath our feet. And with the forests, the heart of the community beats again. Children laugh, fields sway, rivers sing. Slowly, life returns. Roots take hold, leaves unfurl. Forests breathe once more. We cannot return to the past, but we can begin again.